The history of Cadoxton is usually overlooked when people examine Barry, and a new publication that we got coming out that looks at Barry and Cadoxton will hopefully change that. Centerpiece for the history and archaeology of Barry is that Dovecotte. Now, across this sort of landscape here that the car is actually in, this was a very narrow gorge at one stage, but it's been extensively quarried out. So we've got lots of cars going past, and one thing that can be said about that Dovecotte, it's part of there's this big debate, isn't there, whether it's part of a manor or whether it's part of a monastic grange. And seeing of the massive importance of this columbarium, which is a Dovecotte, I'm hastened to say that it's more to do with a monastery of an order that we really can't fathom. So I just wanted to make this a short video, a Cadoxton video, and more Cadoxton videos to come. This is KARL-JAMES Langford, Seek and Search, and cars going back and forth. Let's do one again, and hopefully you've enjoyed this. Bye.